Here's the new ultra-high efficiency dishwasher we're developing. This includes several industry-leading features. For example, pneumatic base agitation effectively eliminates rust stains, while the integrated power sprayer cuts cycle times by over 4,000%. Automatic door actuation promotes a sanitary, time-saving unloading sequence while reducing drying times through increased air circulation. Now obviously this project is still under development, so there are a few reliability issues we're sorting out. However, we have a number of new features planned and hope to release full AI integration and smart home compatibility in the next firmware update, so keep an eye out for more.